Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. I'm your severe weather specialist. I also am going to go over this. It's 3:15 p.m. and we see enhanced risk in areas such as Dallas all the way over to Shreveport. Also an area up in Kansas. These areas are going to be high risk areas for tornadic activity. You can see where the best tornadic activity is, which is the Dallas-Fort Worth area and the Hatched area and another area up in Kansas. Winds, same areas. Have the same risk. We're going to go deeper into this Dallas weather here at the end of this. It's going to be roughly probably a 3-minute, 4-minute video. We're going to do tomorrow through Sunday and then come back and do the mesoscale. So just stand by on that. We got some pretty bad thing going on here. Evansville down through over close to Louisville down to Nashville. There's an enhanced area tomorrow. This is going to be the area with the most dynamic weather for tornadoes, but you can also see it Charleston, South Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, St. Louis, Missouri. There are areas that could be in damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes, but the biggest tornado threat, like I said, is going to be up from Louisville, Kentucky, south to Nashville, Tennessee. And these may be some long-lived tornadoes, unfortunately, so we have to watch it really closely tomorrow. Also, Saturday, being a weekend, we could watch that. And then Saturday night, things will move further east. We could have some isolated severe weather, isolated damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and hail as far east as Roanoke, Richmond area. So, because we'll get into day 3, Sunday we'll be back here in the Midwest. The East Coast will get to worry about maybe limited due to cold air damming, but we may see some damaging winds. It's going to be your main threat for any storms that do occur Saturday night and Sunday morning. But you can see where the risk is for Sunday as the rain will continue in the Northeast. So going back to Texas and the threat levels today going into tomorrow. Taking a look at the Fort Worth sounding, you can see there is definitely a change of winds with height. Northeast and southwest low. That's good there. Increases with height to a southerly wind, then to a westerly wind. A lot of rotation, good heliograph. And we take a look at down here. Cape's good. Lifted index is great. And you can see here, it's the westerly and the southerly. This is a good rotating left to right motion. So we're definitely going to be looking at some tornadic thunderstorms in parts of Texas today. Okay, so what I've done here is overlaid a few things. The bright red box is the tornado watches. We have one here in the area of Louisiana, which is getting cut out. And we have this new one here in the enhanced area of Dallas-Fort Worth, where we're getting cells blowing up here in the west. You can see 2,000 cape. That's a lot of cape. It's a lot of energy. We had observations on this, but I think they disappeared. There we go. You'll see where things looking good when they're backing here, just near Dallas. See where the dry line is sitting is right around right here in Texas. There's our dry line. So a lot of energy out in front of it. So we're gonna put upper air in here. We're gonna go down the jet stream level, and you can see a lot of wind here that diverges here. This is a great area for potential for severe weather tornadoes. We're in overly significant tornado areas right here in Texas. Everything's looking good here. You throw things over, and at EHI, which is one of my favorite. Let me find my EHI. Enhanced Helicity Index. And you can see right in the tornado watch area. This area is going to be the area most likely to see tornadoes today. So Texas, Eastern Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth, be ready for tornadoes today. It's looking pretty probable. Tomorrow, this all shifts into Tennessee and Kentucky for your major areas and outline from there. So everybody keep an eye on it, and we'll keep you updated on our Facebook page with rapid information. So Facebook.com/live weather blogs for the main page, like our page, and then you can get, when we throw out any big information, we'll go there. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Have a great afternoon. Stay safe.